Good morning everybody. Alright, so we've got a CAS3 in today to clone over. We've actually got the whole vehicle here, come here, starting not well. As you can see, that's our part number. It is a CAS3 unit. What we've got some light faults to look at, but this thing barely starts, so I said we need to sort that first. We've got in the car access system, we've got CAS control unit fault, terminal 15, output 1, 2 and 3, all sensor circuits, they're current, and we've also got terminal 50, output wake up, all sensor key engaged, and output wake up. So this thing just won't start. Every now and then if you really mash the start button and shove the key in there, you'll get it to fire up. So I've extracted all our data from this CAS unit, as you'll see. So that's our P flash read, and I have saved our EEPROM as well. Now I've got this shop is bringing us a donor CAS to swap into it, so we'll be able to transfer all the data over, EEPROM, flash, etc., and have a full copy of the original CAS, so it should just start and run. Alright, we've got a CAS module, we're writing data back into it. As you can see, we've already written the EEPROM data, so we're going to write the P flash now, which is like all the programming data. Once that's in, we'll put it back together, plug it into the car, see if it starts. Alright, in the Beamer, CAS module's plugged in, so old one's here, new one's there. Now, let's see, moment of truth, we'll just set this up. Where's the keys gone? Press the brake. Oh yeah, we're good to go. So, wouldn't do that before. We've got no warning lights, mileage is still good, no tamper dock because it was a full clone. And all we've got left to do now is a fault report. And I'm going to be able to look at the light issue because the thing's actually starting properly now.